Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the valves look closed. Which is confusing. I'm pretty sure it was this one that dropped. Well, I thought I was pretty sure. Okay. So that's still intact. I'm now thinking timing system maybe failed and the cam timing moved a bit. Piston hit valve. Anyway, gonna pull it off now and find out more. Right, got the head bolts out.
Holy shit. Oh wow.
Holy I don't think some valves is gonna fix it. Jesus. Holy how the it must have dropped timing, eh? Oh, that's
Oh.
what were we seeing in there? Oh, those will be the exhaust side. They're like upside down in the that's new engine, bro. If I don't laugh, I'll cry. Holy shit. Now to send photos to everyone, like, whoa. Well, at least now I can go into New Year's knowing I'm suppose now's the time to tell everyone that Mazda have actually said they're going to help us fix this. So we were hoping it was just valves, a valve bent, and their friends at Maz Parts down in Rotorua who do like spare parts, Mazda dismantling, sent us a bunch of stuff to use if it was just a valve, but obviously we're more screwed than that. So after realising how catastrophic the damage really was, we tried to enjoy our Christmas and New Year's and forget about the whole thing. Unfortunately, running away from your problems doesn't work long term, so we headed down to Tauranga to pick up a replacement engine. And I just want to say a massive thank you again to Maztech Partsworld, who actually sent us a whole engine from a Mazda Atenza. The hope was that we could use that block and get our head repaired to make it work, but unfortunately our head was uneconomical to repair. However, they have said we can keep that engine, so you may see it in a future project. Alright, so as you just saw, we went and picked up another engine for the MX5. Unfortunately, the one in there was totally screwed. Probably the only savable thing is the block, pistons, obviously all the valves, the head, all just throwaway. But yeah, picked up a new engine, and once again, there's an engine in the MX5, so I'm just working on hooking everything back up, getting it ready to fire up, and then hopefully everything goes well. And take it for a bit of a drive, make sure everything's working as it should. Massive thank you to Brendan and Thomas from Mazda New Zealand for coming out this morning and giving me a hand. They helped me actually get it in there, in their office suits and stuff, so that was awesome. Thank you to Brendan and Thomas, really appreciate it. And also Mark from Mazda NZ was a massive help with all the technical data of the engine we rebuilt, but we just won't talk about that. But yeah, massive thank you to Mark as well, because he was a massive help with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna crank away, getting everything back together. It's actually almost looks like it could run. There's just a few lines off there from the intake. Alternator needs to go on, belt on, battery. I'm gonna change the rock cover gasket for the one that we got in our kit. So there'll be a fresh rock cover gasket in there as well. But yeah, it's pretty much ready to fire, and I will come back when it's that time. Alright, so another massive thank you to Mazda, who supplied oil, a genuine oil filter and sump washers for this thing as well. So I've got it up in the air now. I'm gonna put the fresh filter on and drain whatever oil is left in that engine that we picked up and fill it up with oil, crank for oil pressure, and then try and fire it. Time to put some oil in it. Feel like I've been here before. Cool. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, good, thanks. How are you? Yeah.
Fingers crossed. You sure you've got everything done? Right?
Yes, thank you. I might have to put that in the video I'm recording at the moment.
No, whatever you need to do and make sure it's all tight and oiled.
Yeah, I'll either come home really happy or really sad. So.
Oh, you're only coming home happy because you've done everything right.
Yeah.
And you've checked it and you're taking your time and you haven't rushed.
Yep. Have a beer ready for me either way. Okay, crank for oil pressure. Listen for noises. Check for oil leaks. So the engine's not seized, there's a good start. Oh my god, I'm shitting myself. It will die. Wash your fingers. Got oil pressure. Oh, I'm so stoked. That's all we're doing. I'm going to take that one today. Don't mind the smoke, that's just oil that I just spilled. Didn't want to run it long because there's no coolant in it. Last time I filled it with coolant and everything, ready to turn key and go for a drive. And then of course it had that big failure. So didn't want to get ahead of myself this time. But it fires, runs, sounds good. A little noisy at the start, but that's probably just because the engine's been sitting for ages. Came right straight away. Yeah, if it makes that sound again on fire up, that's a sign that the VVT solenoid is on its way out or sad or dead. But now we've got two of those and I know the other one works, so yeah, if it's that, then I'll just put the other one in it. Not a big deal.
I don't really put much soul in it. It's like I don't think that I'm with it. I'm on the pro team, you'll be calling that Olympic. They see me rolling, no millionaire, I'm sunning. Peter, 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 pop, well,